we'll just have a look out from outside and take the picture from the window. So the triangular one, which is now made by the government of India, as you see, there is a 4-lion symbol which is at the top, which we call the Ashoka emblem. The 3 lions which we see at the front, and the 4th one which is at the back side. And this area, which I'll show you from that area as well, because the president house, which you can see from the Kartavya Path, as more and more from that side. Okay. So this is your first time in India? Or?
Yeah, first time in India.
You arrived last night or some days before?
Actually we arrived on Wednesday night. So we started in Bangalore 2 days, and then here 2 days, and then today night we are already leaving back.
So from which part of Malaysia you were?
I'm from Malacca.
Okay.
I'm from Seremban.
Because I also have some friends in the Malaysia as well.
Where? Kuala Lumpur, no?
Just near to the Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, Kuala Lumpur. Have you been to Malaysia?
No.
Not yet.
So on the left, this is the ministry which we call the Udyog Bhavan, which is the ministry for the small businesses. If we want to start some small business, we can take the help from the government. But now this time, as you know, the taking of help from the government is too crazy because you have to show every evidence to them that you are starting the business. And on the left, this ministry which we call the Nirman Bhavan, the Ministry for Housing and Development. Whatever the house which are made in this area and in the Delhi, they have all the data of all the houses. Yeah, that's why it is so big and covering half of the area of this road. And this is the Ministry of External Affairs, which they have the meetings for the external affairs here. So do you know the population of Delhi?
No.
Can you guess just what it can be, how much it can be?
10 million? 10 million? No, I think it's a million maybe.
No worries. So on the left, this is the National Museum. In this museum, we have many unique models of the old time, which is of the Buddha as well. And this is the Vigyan Bhavan. In this, this is the ministry for having celebrations of the special days. Like today, also we have the Viksit Bharat program in this area, the Civil Services Day.
Oh.
We celebrate every day in this area. That's like the Yoga Day, Forensic Day, or the Science Day as well. That's where you will see the news van which are coming to this. The population, I'll tell you. I'll give you a hint. Then you can guess. It is in between 30 to 40 million.
Oh,
That's what I
wow.
said.
I was guessing 500,000,
It's million.
600,000.
It's million.
Macam Malaysia.
40 million.
Malaysia is 33.
It's 34.8 million
Wow.
in
Same
Delhi.
population in
That's Malaysia. The whole of Malaysia.
So now we will be proceeding for the India Gate right now. Okay. So you know Hindi as well?
No, I don't know. I only know Tamil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they?